everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 1, Nouns. Do you know what is a noun? Naming words are called nouns, and these naming words can be name of person, place, animal or thing. There are mainly two types of nouns. These are common nouns and proper nouns. Let's see what are common nouns and what are proper nouns. Common noun is a name of any person, place or thing. That means if you are not talking about any particular person, place or thing, then it's a common noun. So, common noun is a naming word of any person, place or thing. They are also known as common naming words. So what is the other name of common noun? It is common naming words. Let's understand with the help of examples. There are 4 columns of person, place, animal, thing. Person common noun can be boy, girl, uncle or teacher. Common noun of place can be city, state, island, monument. Common nouns in the category of animal can be dog, tiger, jackal, reindeer. And in the category of thing, common noun can be pencil, chocolate, eraser, bag. Just see that in all these words, we are not pointing or we are not talking about any particular person, place, animal or thing. That is why all these words are common nouns. Now, what is a proper noun? Proper noun is a name of particular person, place or thing. All proper nouns begin with capital letter. They are also known as special naming words. So, if we talk about any particular person, place or thing, then that becomes a proper noun. And the one thing which you need to remember is all proper nouns always begin with capital letters. And what is the other name of proper noun? It is special naming words. So let's understand this concept also with the help of few examples. Now let's see, on the right side we are having proper nouns, on the left side we are having common nouns. If we say boy, so boy can be any boy, but if we talk about any particular boy like Rajesh Sharma, then it becomes proper noun because we are talking about any particular boy whose name is Rajesh Sharma. And please observe that in this Rajesh, which is the name of the boy, it begins with a capital letter. R is capital. Even the surname, which is Sharma in this case, is also beginning with a capital letter. So S is also capital. So proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Likewise, we can see girl is a common noun. Pooja Jaiswal is a proper noun. Uncle is a common noun. Suresh Kapoor is a proper noun. Teacher is a common noun. Geeta Rastogi is a proper noun. If we talk about place, then city is a common noun. New Delhi is a proper noun. State is a common noun. Haryana is a proper noun. Island is a common noun. Adventure Island is a proper noun. Monument is a common noun. Taj Mahal is a proper noun. Dog is a common noun. Shizu, if we have given the name of our dog like Shizu, then Shizu is a name of the dog. Particular dog name is Shizu, so Shizu is a proper noun. Likewise, tiger is a common noun. Leo is a proper noun. Jackal is a common noun. Johnny is a proper noun. Reindeer is a common noun. Rambo is a proper noun. So all these on the right side we have given the name to the animals, so they are proper nouns. But on the left side, that it can be any dog, any tiger, any jackal or any reindeer, then these are common nouns. Similarly, the thing can be pencil, chocolate, eraser, bag. So all these are common noun. But if we talk about Apsara pencil, then Apsara is a proper noun. If we talk about any particular chocolate like Kit Kat, then Kit Kat becomes a proper noun. If you talk about any particular eraser like matte magic eraser, then it's a proper noun. And baguette, if you talk about the bags of the baguette, then baguette is a company name, it's a proper noun. Let's understand more with the help of few more examples. Day is a common noun, but if we talk about any particular day like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then these are proper nouns because we are talking about particular day. Like Monday is the first day of the week, then Monday is a proper noun in the sentence and day is a common noun because day can be any day. Similarly, month is a common noun, but if we talk about any particular month like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November or December, then all these are proper nouns. City is a common noun, but if we talk about any particular city like Mumbai, Delhi, Kochi, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, then these are proper nouns because this is a name of particular city. Monument can be any monument, so it's a common noun, but if we talk about any particular monument like Taj Mahal, Gateway of India or Red Fort, then all these are proper nouns. River can be any river, so it's a common noun, but if we talk about any particular river like Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, Narmada, Godavari, Jhelum, then all these are names of particular rivers, so these are proper nouns. Mountain is a common noun, but if we talk about any particular mountain like Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, Himalayas, Vindhyas, Nanda Devi, then these are proper nouns. Likewise, country can be any country, so it's a common noun, but if we talk about any particular country like India, Nepal, Russia, USA, China, then these are proper nouns. Language is a common noun, but if we talk about any particular language like Tamil, Hindi, Urdu, Sanskrit, Kannada, all these are the name of the languages, so these are proper nouns. Book is a common noun, but if we talk about any particular book like Alice in Wonderland, Beauty and the Beast, all these are the name of the book, so these are proper nouns. Festival can be any festival, so it's a common noun, but if we talk about Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Purab, then it's a proper noun because it's a name of particular festival. Newspaper can be any, so it's a common noun, but if we talk about any particular newspaper like the Statesman, the Hindu, the Indian Express, then these are the name of particular newspapers, so these are proper nouns. So let's recapitulate. Naming words are also called nouns. A common naming word is a name of any person, place or thing. Common naming words are also called common nouns. A special naming word is a name of special person, place or thing. Special naming words are also called proper nouns. All proper nouns begin with capital letters. So just revise this chapter thoroughly. Till we meet next time, we'll do the exercise of common noun and proper noun. So keep learning and keep reading. Take care. Bye-bye.